Fermented Chinese pickled cabbage aren't just delicious, but it's also a great source of vitamins and probiotics. Hello my foodies, this is me again, CiCi. Today we're gonna make something super crunchy, delicious, and tasty. It's gonna be Chinese pickled cabbage, and it's so healthy too. Let's get started! So first, before anything, we want to wash all the ingredients with room temperature cooked water. We use cooked water here to prevent harmful bacteria that might spoil our pickles in the next couple days. So these are all thoroughly washed. First, we want to sanitize the jar or the container that you use by pouring boiling water in it. And then just clean everywhere and then discard. Now we're gonna add in the carrot, cabbage, red pepper chilies, the pickle that we made today is a perfect side dish for any main course, whether you want to eat it with rice, noodles, or even like Hongxiao pork belly. You just put it on the side. It will sure to bring back your appetite, especially like right now, the weather is so hot. If you don't have any appetite, try some of my pickled cabbage. It will be sure that you're gonna start eating so much. I don't know if that's a good thing actually. Alright guys, so if you have any questions, always comment below. If you have any tips or tricks on how to make all kinds of pickles, share with us in the comment. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I will see you again in the next episode. Bye now!